like to wrap things up with one simple idea. So, we talked about a ton of different things today, but if someone is listening and thinking, okay, yeah, that sounds interesting. I'd like to, maybe think differently about the food I'm eating, but I'm not really sure where to start. What would you say to that person?
I would say just start with yourself. Kind of maybe do, if a food journal is your thing, or just simply kind of a day-to-day kind of sit down like, okay, what did I eat today? What did I drink today? How did that make me feel? What can I do differently tomorrow? I think people are very hard on themselves and they want to achieve this, like Instagram perfect life status. And so I'm very much of just change. What can you change for tomorrow? Not a big deal. Like if I ate pizza and ice cream all day today. Okay, that's fine. Well, let's do so let's try to add an apple tomorrow. It's like just make small steps and just kind of what works with your life. And where are you at right now? So I think if people just kind of bring awareness to themselves and say, okay, where am I? Where's my starting point? What could I change for tomorrow? And just make little baby steps. Like it doesn't have to be I have to go to Whole Foods and spend $500 and clean everything out. It can simply be just, okay, each day I'm going to try to add something fresh and something healthy. Or I'm going to try to cook one homemade meal this week. And it's going to be something real small, but I'm going to cook it fresh from home. It can be these little baby steps. And I'm always available if anyone wants to email me or contact me. I'm always open for some free advice and helping anyone out that needs help. So.